Okay guys, so at this point you have set up your Fusion 360 account. You've successfully logged in, and you've taken the quick tour of Fusion 360, and you're kind of getting a little bit more familiar with it. You're also ready to start making your first practice parts that are going to be part of assignment 122, Learning CAD Skills. Okay, before you can start these practice parts, we've got to talk about how you're going to document and how you're going to save these files. All right, so you are currently logged into your Fusion account, and this is what it looks like. So you really shouldn't have any projects that you've created yet. We are going to create your first project, and this is just going to be all of those practice files that are teaching you how to learn Fusion 360. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click Create Project, and we're just going to call this Practice Parts. Oops. Okay, because really, the point of this assignment is that you are learning all of the different features that Fusion 360 has, and you're learning how the software works. So you're creating these practice parts, and you're following along with an instructor who is teaching you how to make those parts. Okay, choose an avatar. It does not matter to me which avatar you choose. We'll go ahead and click Create Project. Okay, so it's going to ask you project members who you would like to share this project with. Right now you do not have any project members. We're going to go and add myself here in just a second. And I'll show you that probably in a second video. What I'd like for you to do here is create a new folder inside of this project, and we're going to call this 100 Days of Fusion. Now we're probably not going to complete every single practice problem or practice part of the 100 Days of Fusion. We're going to complete the ones that are most essential for you to understand in order to use the software. But the website's just called 100 Days of Fusion. So inside of that folder, this is where you are going to start making your parts. Okay? So in order to start making your parts, what you're going to need to do is click New, and instead of clicking Folder, now we're going to click Fusion 360 Design, and it's going to open up Fusion 360, and this is where you're going to be able to follow along and create your parts. All right, so while that's loading, I want you to come back over here to the assignment, and go ahead and click on the Fusion 360 practice. This is the Google Doc that you'll be using. So this is part 1, extrude, cut, and join objects. This is what your part is going to look like, and then here's where you're going to link that. Okay, so the first one is called extrude, cut, and join objects. So I'm just copying that name, and I'm going to go ahead and save this as extrude, cut, and join objects, and I'm just going to call it I'll put hashtag 001 extrude, cut, and join objects. So I'll click Save. And then when I go back to my folder, if I refresh this, it should show up right there. Okay. For the next part that you create, it's the tapered extrusion and cross section. You will name that one. You'll save that one as 002 tapered extrusion cross section. Okay.